Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll talk about different ways to use this No Sebum Mineral Powder from Innisfree. So the packaging for this No Sebum Mineral Powder has changed and the older version looks something like this. So I will do a quick comparison at the end of the video. So this one is the No Sebum Mineral Powder from Innisfree and this one is in the new packaging. For all the new products, they have this tape to make sure that they have not been opened before. And this one is the sponge. And the holes are blocked with this sticker. So the first way to use it is right after your skincare. So if you're a person who does not like using makeup on a daily basis, then you can just apply this to mattify your face. So I have already done my skincare and I have done my eyebrow makeup. So now I'm going to use this powder on my face. So there is already a puff inside. So what we can do is just tilt it and then the powder will come through the hole here and you can just dab it on the face. So that is all and you're done with the first use. The second way to apply this powder is after your foundation. So after applying your base and foundation, you can use this powder to set your foundation. So I have already applied my primer and I have also applied my foundation. So now I'll use this powder on top. So after applying this powder, my face is more mattified than before. It is also smoother. So the third way to apply this powder is for face baking. So after you have applied your foundation and concealer, then you can do the face baking. So now I'm going to apply this concealer on my under eye and also to hide some spots. So I have applied my concealer. Now I'm going to do face baking with the No Sebum Mineral Powder. So for this one, I need to get a lot of product. So instead of putting it in the cushion, I will just dab the product out on the lid. Like this. So now I will apply this product generously under the eyes. So now we'll leave this powder on our face for 10 minutes and we'll brush away the excess powder. So after 10 minutes, you can use a brush to brush away the excess products. Face baking will help to prevent the under eye creasing of the concealers. And the fourth way to use this powder is actually not on the face, but it's on the hair. So on the second day of my no hair wash, then my hair starts to get oily, especially near the root. So I normally use dry shampoo for that reason. But in case your hair starts to get oily after you go out, then we can use this No Sebum Mineral Powder instead. So because the size is so small, we can carry it in our purse, and at the middle of the day, if our hair is getting oily, then we can dab this powder on the roots of our hair. So I normally do it at my partings so that the hair does not look too oily or greasy. So let me show you how I do it. So I have used this powder on my hair before. So normally I'll wash the sponge after using it on my hair. But if you're using it for face and hair on the same day, then you can also do like this. So for the front part, I can use on my face. And for the hair, I can switch the side and use this part on my hair, so that you can wash the sponge after you return home. So if I want to use this part, then I just hold it this way and then take out the powder on the lid and then put it on the hair. So the No Sebum powder helps to absorb the oil on your hair, and I normally only apply it on my hairline and on the top because that's where it gets more greasy and it can be visible. So after that, hair becomes more fluffy and then it's dry, it's not that sticky anymore. So this is a quick solution to greasy hairs, especially if your hair is only getting very sticky at the middle of the day and you want a quick solution for a short time. So we can use the dry shampoo, but maybe the dry shampoo is not small and you would not be carrying it around in your purse. But this powder is quite small and it can fit in small purse as well. So I used to do this a lot before, but now I stick with dry shampoo at home. But this one can still solve the problem of greasy hair. So those were the 4 ways you can use no sebum mineral powder from Innisfree. So let me quickly compare these 2 products. So now the packaging has changed, so the color of the container is a little bit different. And also in the old one, they say they use Jeju natural mineral and natural originated mint, but there's no such thing written on the new packaging. And also the purpose has been changed a little bit. They have changed the wording of the purpose. So for the old one, it says it is a loose powder for display of soft and shine free skin. And for the new packaging, it says it is a oil control powder for soft matte finish. So it's a little bit different. And for the formula itself, I think they're quite similar. And the new one works in a similar way as the old one. For the inside, so inside they have the plastic cover with the hole so the powder can come out and we can use the puff to dab on our face. So it's the same with this one. But for the cushion, they have changed in material. So this one is the new cushion and this one is the old cushion. So the shape is similar and the design is similar, but the material they use is different. So although the new one is more soft, but it is very difficult to apply the product on the face. So the old one is it's still soft, but not as soft as the new one. But this is easier to apply on the face than the new one. For the new one, it keeps slipping off my fingers when I'm applying. And also when I put the powder to dab on my face, so the powder spreads a lot for the new one. While old one, it does spread, but it's not that much. So when I was trying to apply this on my face, all the powders were around my face and I thought it would go inside my eyes. So which is why I changed to the old cushion immediately. So this one can work, but it's not that good. So if I want to use the new powder, then I'll just use a brush instead of this puff. So other than the puff, everything else is quite similar and it does give a good result. So the product itself is good. So if you still want to use this cushion, it can still work, but then I would suggest you to use less product to dab on the face. So try your best to just get a little bit on this cushion and then spread it all over. So other than the puff, everything else is good about this product. So I still use it at the middle of the day to just powder my face and make my face less greasy. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.